Before you rush to add the DEWALT 384WW1 to your toolkit, there are some surprising downsides you might want to hear about. Stick around to find out more. The DEWALT 384 is a game changer for professionals and DIY enthusiasts tackling tough cutting jobs. Its sleek and sturdy design reflects DEWALT's reputation for durability and precision. Constructed with an ergonomic body and overmolded grip, this tool is designed for comfort and control, even during extended use. At 17.6 inches in length, the tool strikes a balance between portability and power, fitting into tight spaces without compromising its performance. What sets this reciprocating saw apart is its high-performance brushless motor. Unlike traditional motors, the brushless technology enhances energy efficiency, reduces wear, and delivers more consistent power, even under heavy loads. This ensures the DEWALT cuts faster and lasts longer, especially in demanding environments like demolition, construction, or large-scale home renovations. With a 1/1/8 inch stroke length and a no-load speed of up to 3,000 strokes per minute, this saw is engineered for speed and precision. It's ideal for cutting through a wide range of materials including wood, metal, and PVC pipes. Whether you're dismantling old structures or crafting a project, this saw makes light work of the toughest tasks. An integrated LED light illuminates the cutting area, a thoughtful addition for those working in dimly lit spaces like basements or late-night job sites. The keyless lever-action blade clamp simplifies blade changes, letting you swap out blades quickly and get back to work with minimal downtime. The included 8.0 Ah XR POWERPACK battery is a significant bonus. Known for its extended runtime, this battery ensures you can power through hours of work without frequent recharges. Paired with DEWALT's 20V Max platform, it provides compatibility with a range of other DEWALT tools, enhancing its value as part of a broader toolkit. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The saw's weight, at 7.7 pounds without the battery, may lead to fatigue during extended use, particularly for overhead applications. Additionally, the absence of an adjustable shoe limits your control over cutting depth, which may be a deal breaker for those who require precise customization. In terms of cost, the 384WW1 sits at the premium end of the spectrum. While this might deter budget-conscious buyers, its performance, durability, and the inclusion of the high-capacity battery justify the price for professionals or serious hobbyists. If you're interested in seeing the latest deals, check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: relatively heavy, potentially leading to user fatigue. Lack of adjustable shoe for cutting depth control. Higher price point compared to some competitors. Pros: powerful brushless motor for demanding applications. Fast cutting speed with 1/1/8 inch stroke length. Integrated LED light for improved visibility. Keyless blade clamp for quick and easy blade changes. Includes high-capacity 8.0 Ah XR POWERPACK battery. For the latest deals on the DEWALT, check out the Amazon link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video.